video, I'll be teaching you how to make an origami double ninja star. So let's get started. The first step is to take your piece of paper and fold it in half. Now, fold it in half the other way. Now, unfold, and you should be able to pull it like this until it rips a little bit, and then you can just slide it off. And then fold this in half. Now unfold and fold it in half the other way. Now, unfold and make a tiny cut by just pulling. Then, slowly slide it off. Then, put this one off to the side and do the same thing. So, fold it in half and rip it apart on this sheet. Now, by using this, you're going to fold it in half. Then, unfold and take this part and fold it down like this, so that this side lines up with the crease in the middle. Like this. Then you're going to fold this up. Now, flip this over, and if you want, you can use a ruler and measure 2 centimeters. And you can do 2 centimeters or 3 centimeters. I'm going to do 3 centimeters. And you see when you're folding this side has to be 2 or 3 centimeters. So let's check. Okay, so now fold it down here, like this. And now fold this part down, like shown. And then fold this up. Do the same thing on this side. Now, fold a triangle down. And then, fold this up. So now, you're just going to make 3 more sections doing the same thing. So once you've made all your 4 sections, take one of them and take another one. Then, flip this one over and put it down like this. Then take another one and put it on top of that one, but facing up, like this. Then put this inside. So you're gonna fold this down, then this down, then this one, and now if you look here, we just need to fold this like this, but we're gonna put this one, we're just gonna tuck it underneath this flap, like so. Then open this one and take this one. You're going to place this on top like this. You're going to fold this down, then this, then this, and now you're just going to tuck it in. And now, this is your 8-pointed double Shuriken. And if I'm going too fast, you can pause the video and re-watch it. So thanks for watching, and please make sure to subscribe to my channel. See you later.